Affin Academy, building the hearts and minds of the people who will change the world. Welcome to Affin Academy, a place with deep traditions, focused on building dreams and brighter futures. We invite you to explore the diverse and vibrant community that makes us the home of leaders and world changers. Affin Academy is a home for your dreams and a community waiting to inspire your success. We love what we do. Walk onto our campus and you'll feel it immediately. Something different is happening here. This isn't a place where students simply sit through lectures and collect credits. This is a place where learning comes alive. At Affin Academy, academic excellence and character development aren't competing priorities. They're inseparable. Our undergraduate programs, postgraduate pathways, and flexible study options are all designed with one goal in mind: to produce graduates who are sharp, grounded, and genuinely ready for the world ahead of them. We are committed to building a university for all and celebrating diversity in all its forms. That is why we have included diversity, equity, and inclusion in our core curriculum and made it a theme of our strategic plan. Affin always brings joy. We don't just teach subjects, we cultivate minds that think clearly, hearts that lead with integrity, and hands that build something worth building. And we do it with a culture of joy because we believe that when students are truly engaged, truly supported, and truly seen, something extraordinary becomes possible. We love what we do. Affin Academy offers a higher education through undergraduate, graduate, and online programs. By combining faith, reason, and liberal arts into one core curriculum, we offer an education that is based not only on technical training, but the teachings of Christ, reason, and the past successes and failures of humanity. At Affin Academy, critical thinking is paired with compassion. Innovation is tested against ethics. And success is measured not only by what a student achieves on paper, but by who they're becoming in the process. Real-world opportunities, modern learning environments, and a community that genuinely cheers for your progress. These aren't extras here, they're the standard, because we love what we do, and that love shows up in everything we build for our students. We are world changers! Our education puts students on a fast track to becoming leaders in their careers and in their communities. Affin Academy strives to send students out into the world with a better understanding of how to live fulfilling, accomplished, and righteous lives. Affin Academy. We are change makers. From healthcare to technology, from business to governance, from education to community development, our graduates are stepping into every critical sector of Nigerian and African life with something to offer and the courage to offer it. This is what transformation looks like in practice. Affin Academy provides a variety of academic programs designed to help students meet their educational goals. The curriculum includes many undergraduate and graduate programs. A strong portfolio of scholarships awarded on the basis of merit, talent, leadership, and athletics make Affin Academy an attainable choice among private colleges and universities. Affin Academy always brings joy. We offer a variety of educational opportunities for individuals of all ages and academic backgrounds, including degree programs at the undergraduate, master's, and doctoral levels, as well as continuing education and certificate programs. Our facilities are modern. Our research engages real African challenges. Our international partnerships expand horizons beyond what any one country can offer. And through all of it runs a single thread: the joy of becoming who you were made to be. Your potential is not ordinary. You deserve an education that sees the full picture of who you are and equips every part of you, mind, character, spirit, to meet the moment you were made for. We love what we do. Affin Academy, building the hearts and minds of the people who will change the world. Visit our official platform at www.affinacademy.com. Reach us directly at affinacademy@gmail.com or affininstitute@gmail.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms at Affin Academy. Affin always brings joy.